Hello everybody, it's Mindy. Welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Today I have a diamond painting unbagging to show you some cute, wonderful items I received from NewCraftDay. Thank you NewCraftDay for letting me pick out some things to show everybody. So today we're showing diamond paintings. Tomorrow we might be showing working progress on a diamond painting or a completed diamond painting, because I show those things on my channel as well. I also love to dabble in crochet and yarn. I've been doing quite a few yarn videos lately. I do a crochet along on Friday afternoons at 2 o'clock, if that's of interest to anyone. And I also do books. I talk about books on Tuesday nights with my friend Brandy from Mystery of Diamonds. So if any of those things are of interest to you, I hope you spend some time, peek around on my channel, see what there is that catches your eye, and watch a few videos. All right, so let's get into this one and let's show you what we have. We'll start with this adorable little thing right on the top. It is so cute. So here is their toolkit: wax, pen, and a boat, drills, and look at it. That is Ms. Misty right there, one of my new kitties. That is Misty all day long. She's just such a girly girl, too. She's a little princess, a little gray kitty. It's so cute. This is a 30 by 30, and I just fell in love with this when I saw it because I was like, well, that fits my girl to a T. Look at all the pretty flowers and hearts around her. She's got a bow around her neck and one on her head. I mean, that would be her all day long. This has 11 different colors. Look at the bottom down here. This actually, all this border down here gets drills. Well, the top and the bottom. There's no border on the side, but isn't it cute? I think it is so adorable. Let's look at her drills and see what we get. I hope there's something pretty cool here. Let's see. I know, you're looking at me. You're next. Somebody's going to make a pretty painting of an orange kitty next. You just wait. He's the only one in right now, and he's just like, he's being Mr. Give me all your attention. All right, rhinestones. Gold, red, pink, gray, kind of a brown color, really, brownish gray. Green. Oh, look at all the clear rhinestones. 2 bags of them. Here's our special drills. The iridescent coated green faceted marquee. Beautiful. Love those. Leaves. Absolutely, it's going to be those leaves. Then look at, we have hearts. We knew we were going to have hearts because the hearts go around here. They go in the hearts. We got lots of hearts. No, sir, get down. We have these smooth red marquees. Those are pretty. We have little smooth round marquees, and look at those. Yeah, I told you there was something cool in here. I knew it. I could feel it in my bones. Where did it go? E. Oh, one right there. One right there, right there. There's not very many. There's like 4 or 5. Pretty. She's so cute. She's so cute. Yes, she is. Love the blue eyes, right? Don't you wish all kitties had blue eyes? Mine don't. All right, ready for something a little different? That's a little crazy, isn't it? I don't. It's very simple. It's just on a white background. I thought this one would be fun to just cut it out and put it on some fun paper and just put all kinds of fun stickers and stuff on it and just jazz it up. Jazz it up. It only has 8 different drills. No, do not come over here. Sir, here you come. No, 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 get down. No. He's like, but I want to be over there. I want to be in all of your business and what you're doing. No, sir. He's coming. Here he is. We have clear rhinestones, gold rhinestones, black, a lighter gold, kind of a grayish brown. Then we have, I told you he's coming, you guys. See him? See him? Iridescent, faceted, clear marquee, our claws, the orange claws, and pearls. Really? I don't think so. I don't think so. Sir, you must go. Yes, you must go. No, you must go. No. Say hello. Say hi. And then you must go. Okay? Goodbye. He has been just the weirdest cat today. He's in the door, out the door, in the door, out the door. Like he wants out, then he's out, and then he doesn't want out. Then he wants in and whining. I'm like, oh my goodness. Okay, we got one more item here. What is it? What is it? I don't even recall. Oh. Okay. So this came in a fairly padded envelope inside the other padded envelope. So hopefully, no breakage occurs with these acrylic items if they package them appropriately. Okay? Let's get it out. First thing we gotta do is cross our fingers. There's no breaks. No breaks, please, no breaks. Does it hang? Oh, it hangs. I thought this would go in a stand, but nope. Here's our chain. So it's a hanging. Toolkit, drills, and here's our piece. Is it broken? No. There's a film on the back. Make sure you take the film off the back, okay? And you ready to see it? You're gonna love it. Look at it. Isn't it cute? It's a Christmas owl. Come on, who doesn't love a Christmas owl? It is so cute. What's going on here with the owls? What's this? It's got like a corn stalk for hair or feathers or something in a ponytail. What is up with that? It is super cute though. Look at it. I love it. He's got, what is this? A branch? Is he on a branch? Is that a corn stalk behind him or tree? What is happening? I don't know. This looks like antlers coming out of his head, but it can't be. It's gotta be branches. Gotta be branches, right? He's on a log. I don't know. Very interesting, but he's cute. Nonetheless, no matter what, he's cute. We'll just give him that. He's adorable, right? Very Christmassy. I gotta do some Christmas things here real soon. Have to have some Christmas items like to put in my craft sales, my upcoming craft sales. Yes, I'm doing a couple more craft shows. So let's see what we got. Clear rhinestones, red rhinestones, green, brown, light tan, darker. Oh, these are all like brown shades. I mean, come on, we got a log and we have a brown owl. Okay. This is like a very light, pale, bluish gray rhinestone. Another tan color, another orange color. Okay. Then we have some stars, some little stars. We have some faceted clear round and some faceted golds. All right. He's cute. You know he's cute. He's adorable, right? All of these items will be linked below for your ease of ordering if you are interested. So we kind of got it's a kind of a bird brain kind of day going on here, right? But then we have our adorable kitty cat. So that's what I got from NewCraftDay, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. And go check out what they have. Like I said, they'll be linked below. And you can go see them for yourself. All right? Please hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new here. Come back, see more videos. Spend some time with me. Because all of those things really help a creator out and keeps us doing what we're doing. So we really appreciate it. All right. I will talk to everybody soon. I'm going to go take care of Crazy Cat over here and see what he can possibly need. No idea. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon.